Intan, why my answer is not balanced?
I think you posted debit and credit wrongly.
So Intan, how to fix this error?
Why not just use this FFK Leisure Legends?
When you do trial balance in FFK Leisure Legends, you can just input or transfer your answer in the empty sheet.
Oh, wow! I can check my answer immediately.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone.
My name is Amir.
And my name is Akmal. We are excited to introduce our innovation project,
That created to make accounting learning more interactive and fun.
Leisure Legends, a fun and interactive way to practice accounting in Excel. Students post transactions to the ledger and check the trial balance. Each correct answer reveals piece of treasure map and fills the progress bar. Complete all answers to unlock the treasure chest, and you can reset anytime to start a new adventure. Leisure Legends makes learning accounting visual, interactive, and exciting, turning practice into a rewarding game.
FFK Accountant Cross. This activity helps students strengthen their accounting terms and concepts in a fun puzzle format. It encourages critical thinking while making revision more engaging.
Third is FFK Balance Board. Function FFK Kids Balance Board is to help kids record their cash inflow and outflow so they don't spend it unwisely. There's 3 paths on this board. The first path is Hasoba, where to collect their pocket money. The second path is Tijara, for them to know the cash inflow and outflow. On the third path is Jihad Business, where they already understand how to manage the money, and that is our objective.
Our project makes accounting interactive and fun for students while serving as a teaching aid for lecturers.
We hope it inspires a love for accounting and enhances understanding. Thank you.